Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we are going to explore 15 powerful and productive YQArch plugin tips and tricks, all about saving time and effort. These tips and tricks will speed up your work in AutoCAD 10x faster. How we can simply speed up our work almost in no time. So, these are industrial exposure. Must watch out completely. We'll explore one by one, okay? To proceed this method, we will use YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can very smoothly download and you can proceed further. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Power calculator. I want to calculate these values: multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, whatever. Automatic. First you'll see plus, okay? Let this plus command, select these value and take your result. Same again, this way, let this subtraction, let this minus, okay? And take this value, enter one time and get the result here. Same again, multiplication, okay? This value we have, let this multiplication, short key, and let this here, select your value and let this here, result. Same again, division, let this division command and let this here, this value, enter one time and take your result. So this way automatically you can place your calculation completely error free. Number 2, log dimension. Well, this dimension we have. What I want log this text value. In case if I stretch up, stretch down, maybe it vary, okay? What I want to log wherever we have this complete dimension. Double D, F command, simply select all, just enter one time. Now, if I will stretch up, stretch down, this value will be same as this. It will not affect all around. As you can see, wherever I will stretch, it will not affect. So this way you can lock your dimension text simply, something like this, very smoothly. Number 3, freehand. This line we have, I want to make it freehand. HW command, these are the parameters, okay. Well, this way you can convert your line into freehand quickly, something like this in just one time. Same again, HW command, these are the parameters you can customize, okay, and select your line, enter. It can be multiple line also. Very smoothly you can convert line to freehand. Number 4, split dimension. I want to divide in multiple segments this dimension, okay. Double D, 2 command, let this setting, auto adjust, no, auto link, no, okay. Click over the dimension, first division. Now you see here, same again, click over the dimension, second division. Same again, third division. As much as you want, you can simply divide your dimension, just single click. Number 5, disconnection line. This double line we have, I want to disconnect with each other. Let this GPX command, first line, click second line. Well, this way you can simply disconnect your line, something like this. As much as breakpoint you have, simply you can provide. Mostly useful for pipe disconnection, but also you can provide in breakpoints in any cross area. Number 6, drawing symbol. I want to provide drawing symbol quickly. XT1 command, ABC or 1, 2, 3. Let this A. You are getting drawing symbol. Quickly you can place this way. If you want to change 1, 2, 3, so let this 1 and just click over the screen, something like this, 1, 2, 3. You have other option also. Let this XT2 command and just click over the screen. So number will add automatically as you see here. So this way you can provide drawing detail very quickly in just one time. Number 7, section line. SY command, let this one point to another point and let this here detail 1. Same again, SY2 command. Let this here and here. Simply. Same again, SY3 command. First point, second point, and your leader point. Down or up, something like this. So this way you can provide section line. Just take straight to one to another end and provide section direction which side you want. Simply. Number 8. Index symbols. This multiple commands we have. S1 to S9. Okay. Let this S1. Click first point. Something like this. S2. Click first point. And let this here detail. You can customize your detail over here. Something like this. S3. Click first point and let this your detail over here. Same again, S4, you want to provide rectangle with chamfer and just provide here. So this way you can mark your detail, your revision. S5, circle, let this here. You are getting index symbol very quick. Let this here S6. So number of options we have. For example, you can customize here your value. Okay. Same again, S7. Click first point, second point, provide detail over here. S8. Let this here. You are getting multiple option. S9. Let this here. So this is the best possible way to provide index symbol very quickly. You are getting multiple option. So these are the details you can simply provide by S1 to S9 tools. Number 9. Elevation index. I want to provide elevation index, leader point. Okay. Let this I1. Okay. Come to here setting. Initial value to be 1. Click this side. I2. This side. Same again. I3. This side. Same again. I4. This side. Well, if you want to provide 4 sides in one time, your 4 side elevation index. Okay. Let this I0 and click over the screen. Something like this in just one time. You can provide alphabet also or digit also. Number 10. Intersection dimension. This line we have. I want to provide intersection dimension. Double D, double X command. Let this tick. Okay. And take straight one to another end. And let this here. Dimension line you can provide by dragging only. Simply as you can see here. So we are getting equal dimension, or as much as we have, we can take it out by double D, double X command. Number 11. Table to Excel. This table we have. I want to convert into Excel. T2E command. Output to Excel. Okay. Select all. Enter one time. So this table will be converted into Excel shape very smoothly. So it can be anything. In this case, we are getting these serial numbers. So any table from AutoCAD, you can take it out simply into Excel sheet in just one time. As you can see here, something like this very smoothly by T2E command, which is text to Excel. Number 12. Text circle. Multiple text we have. I want to provide circle. This is not YQArch tools. Let this TC command and simply select all your entire text. Enter one time and let this circle. Okay. And provide variable. So this way you can provide text with circle in one time. Number 13. Text attribute. This is so difficult to convert one by one. This attribute we have. I want to convert into text. Okay. Simply I will take command double T SX. Now let this text, because we are converting attribute to text. Select all, enter. As you can see here, this got converted from attribute to text. Same again vice versa. If I want to convert text to attribute, double T SX command, select text to attribute and let this here. As you can see here, we are getting attribute now. So this way entirely you can convert. Number 14. Fix division. I want fix equal division. Let this DF command, single line or double line. We'll take double line. Okay. These are the parameters you can customize as per your own. OK, just click over the division line, which one you want to divide. As you see here, you are getting equal division entirely in one time what the value you have provided. If I will take dimension, I will get as it is equally. Well, you see here, this way you can divide in just one time by df command. Number 15, dynamic division. I want to provide dynamic division. Multiple division. Let this dfx command first point and simply second point. Number of segment just by dragging only. As you see here, dynamic mode. As much as division you want with segments, you will get over here. And it provide equal length also. This is okay. If I will check with dimension, it will be equal. Let this double D, double X command and let this here. As you see here, we are getting equal division over the line very smoothly, very quickly. I hope you got these 15 powerful tips and tricks helpful. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can very smoothly download and you can proceed further. Must download YQArch Ultimate Guide. I have well explained with facts and figures. These critical commands you can simply memorize, or you can download YQArch 100 essential commands PDF book also. Must watch out this channel. I have uploaded great quality videos, tips and tricks based on industrial experience journey. You will get valuable insight all around. If you have anywhere any doubt, you can leave your comments. I will reply as soon as possible. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have anywhere any doubt, leave your comments as soon as possible. I will reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.